Charlotte, you're so clever. That is really clever, darling. You're so clever. You are. Is that your Christmas present? Is that your Christmas present? You're very clever with it. That's the first time she's played with it. Aren't you clever?